Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Actually, I hadn't intended this video, but something I was thinking about while I was eating an MRE. And I wanted to I'm going to work while I'm talking. So, putting away my Trangia set. You know, this February is going to be 7 years on YouTube for me. 7. It's a long time. You know, there's been ups and downs on the channel. There's been ups and downs for me personally. You know, that's just how life is, you know. Sometimes you're up, sometimes you're down. It happens. But what I wanted to kind of talk about was, you know, if you're sitting at home watching videos, like I've done, you know, many hours have been spent sitting in front of YouTube, thinking, well, I'm fat, I can't get out there and do that. I say, not true, because, you know, I'm fat and I get out here and I do this. I mean, I think, according to the body mass index thing, whatever, I think I would be considered obese. But it seems like anybody over 5 pounds, you know, goes on that list. So I don't even know why they even bother with the list. But, you know, it is what it is. But, you know, anyone can get out here and do what I do. Anyone can get out here and make fire. Anyone can get out here. I mean, unless you're completely paralyzed, which, you know, that's a different matter. But, you know, I can really only comment on the weight. You know, so what if you're fat? I'm fat. I get out here and I do this. I mean, granted, you're going to be a little bit limited. I mean, you're not going to see me summiting Everest, which I probably wouldn't do even if I was in shape. Because one, I'm not a mountain climber, but two, I don't want to be stepping over frozen corpses. That would just, I don't know. It's got a bit of a creep out factor for me. It's like, yikes. I've actually heard that they started like trying to remove some because it like deters from the tourism. Like less people want to go because they don't want to step over bodies. And I was like, damn. But anyway, I mean, you can do this. You know, you're going to be a little limited for your clothing options, because I've gone into REI and looked at their clothing section, like, oh, that's a nice shirt. And they don't go above, you know, they don't go above size 2X. And it's like, well, damn, you know, because I wear 3X. I'm like at that cusp where clothing is less available. But I don't let it stop me. I mean, you can search on the internet for clothing that will fit you. You know, pants I wear a lot. You know, my 5'11", my beloved 5'11" pants. You know, they go up to a 58 waist. If you order them on galls.com, they'll hem them for you for free. It just takes like another week to get them, but still, option. And they last damn near forever. I mean, I've been wearing the same pants out here for what, 6 years? I mean, that's 6 years of cutting wood, that's 6 years of camping, that's 6 years of hiking, that's 6 years of, you know, I wouldn't say hard use, because, you know, I'm still limited by my weight, but I'm still getting it done at my level. And so what if you screw up? So what if you can't get your fire going? Is it the end of the world? I mean, I've failed to get fire going a bunch of times just because of wet conditions, or I was hurrying, or I was doing something wrong. But you can still get out here and do this. I mean, so what do you have to bring? Man-made fire starters. So what if you have to bring cotton balls and Vaseline? You know, that's another thing too. Don't let people tell you that you can't. You know, when they tell you that you can't get out here, I'd say point them out to this finger and say, well, I'm going to go do it anyway. You know, maybe you go to a campground. I mean, I don't, because I'm cheap. I like to disperse camp. I like being far away from people, because less people, less trash. You know, I like being near water because I like the sound. I like having fire because, you know, fire is comforting and I cook on it. But you're not limited what you can do if you just want to do it. And that's the thing too, you know, you gotta want to do it. I mean, I would like to, you know, join a gym and shed some of this pesky weight off. But I either have the money and not the time, or I have the time and not the money. So, you know, it is what it is. And my condo doesn't have a fitness center, so I can't just go work out. Even if it just had basic equipment. You know, I could spend an hour, you know, walk around, get your heart rate up a little bit, go into the gym, you know, I'd probably just start with 2 sets of 10 on everything and just slowly work up, either by adding more weights or adding more reps. So, but yeah, you can still do it. I mean, if it's hard to move, just move at your own speed. Move at your own pace. I mean, so what if it takes you an hour to put up a tent? You're still out there getting it done. I mean, you don't have to make YouTube videos. I mean, take photographs. I mean, I'd still go back and look at pictures from past trips and go, yeah, I remember that trip. You know, I had those fond memories of how much it sucked and how many bugs there were. But still, you know, I can look back and go, that was still fun though, even though there were challenges like trash or bugs or whatever. But I mean, you're never gonna have it. It's never gonna be perfect. That's another thing too. It's like, you know, I make these videos because it's kind of fun. I mean, maybe someday I'll just get tired of doing it and I'll probably do one last video and say, yeah, I'm done. And just camp without the camera. I mean, the only reason I came out here to this parking, well, I'm at a park. I mean, the only reason I came out here was for YouTube. Because I wanted to do the MRE. The chili with beans. So if I upload that first, I'll link it in the video. Or link it down below. You know, I didn't expect to get, you know, I'm not like, I didn't start my channel thinking, oh yeah, I'm going to be a YouTube superstar. I didn't think that at all. I mean, I like the subscribers I have. I especially like the ones who comment because I know that you watched. And I'm always saying, you know, hey, thanks for watching, you know, thanks for commenting. 'Cause I appreciate that more than just the view. I mean, the view is nice too, but and when you guys interact, you know, I like to interact with my viewers. So that's why I've been trying to use the community tab a little bit. You know, today's MRE was, you know, was viewer choice. I posted a list of 4 MREs I had, and I said, which one do you want me to do? 58% said, you know, do the chili and beans. So I did the chili with beans. You know? So, yeah. So, yeah, don't let it stop you. I mean, you might have to drive out far. You might have to get a ride. I've got a video camping alone or camping by yourself, which I'll probably have up before this, so that will be down in the description. You know, always check my channel. If you don't know how to check a channel for videos, go to their main page and then click the videos tab, and there's a little search bar. Just type in whatever you want and hit enter, and it will pull up all the videos pertaining to that search. So you could type in MREs, you could type cooking, you can type camping, you can type hiking, whatever that you're interested in. Fire making, I've got a whole fire making playlist. I should do a better job on my playlist and organize them all by fire and campouts and whatnot, but I don't make time. But I guess I'm just kind of rambling now, so I guess I will just say thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, post them below. Comments, you know I always read and answer the comments. I'm looking at the view screen, sorry. It's a bad habit, because I'm going to turn it off in a minute. So, yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. I hope you're enjoying the channel. I'm always very open to video suggestions and whatnot. Excuse me. I can't always guarantee I'm going to get to them right away, but I always try my best to get the video. And sometimes, like, I might not have the chili video up for 3 weeks or 2 weeks, depending on what's going on. But, you know, just take it day by day. Anyway, I guess I've rambled enough, so it's almost 10 minutes. Alright, thanks for watching. Support the channel. And, you know, real quick, if you ever want to know how to support a channel the best, just watch the video all the way to the end. That's actually the biggest help. So,